welcome to episode 4, where we are prepping exterior panels. So that's bonnet, bumpers, front slam panel, doors, boot, you name it, it's going on the car. This episode, roll credits. Unfortunately, I think it's going to damage the spoiler too much if I take it off. The screws are in there. I think it's more harm than good taking it off. So unfortunately, I'm going to leave it on there. It will just take more time, that's all. Oh, thank fuck for that. That was boring. That was boring for me, let alone you. I forgot to kick that one. Kick ECU. We have an ECU now. Dan's going to come and map it. Supplied by Elliot. Doors are getting done today. Wings are getting done today. Oh. I'm not sure if I'm qualified to do this big job or not. Mirror cap on. Yeah, put the mirror cap on. Oh, it looks like a car. surprised it was only one, to be fair. It's getting hot. Oh, it's hot, 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 hot. Right, now I've had a fag and a cup of tea, I can crack on. We want the lock kit out of this. We don't need anything else. Starting to look more like a car. And that is me done for the day. Thanks for watching episode 4 of Luke's Man Cave here at Good Guys Garage. It's beginning to look a lot like a car. Just waiting on Sonny to come fit the screens, Elliot to finish the paint, then I can put the front end together. Next job is putting that on. Sorry I lied, I didn't get as much finished as I wanted. And then we're on to the fun stuff, engine swap, manual conversion, wires fab kit. Yes, looking forward to it, kind of on track. It's just it's going to be another week or so. It's a lot of work. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.